guys won't believe what's been going on in my house. I said I should just put it here and tell you guys what Chikama has turned my husband to. Guys, do you know Chikama is now the one in charge of my household? Like basically my 6-year-old daughter. Do you know what she has been doing to my husband? My husband didn't even tell me for a very long time. He just told me now and I'm like, what? He said, you know, you guys know Chikama's school is very close to my house. And then what she does now is whenever my husband takes her to school, because he's now the one taking her to school every day and bringing her back. So whenever he takes her to school, sometimes on the way, she's like, honey, her legs, she can't walk. Papa, I'm tired, you know. Then my husband says, what's wrong with you? Then she said, carry me. Sometimes my husband will carry her to school. 6 years old Chikaima. If you don't know Chikaima, check my page. You will see Chikaima. So many Chikaimas. Anyways, so now my husband told me that what he has been doing for the past 1 week is he has been driving Chikaima to school. Can you imagine? I didn't even know. I was thinking they were walking to school because her school is so close. So why is this girl stressing my man? Like, this girl has taken possession. I'm not the one at home. I don't know what's going on. My child is busy controlling my husband. Man, you guys, help me want Chikama to leave my husband alone. Allow the man be. Anyways, let's move on to this vlog. And then let's see how this week is gonna go. You guys should stay with me because we've got doctor's appointments. We've got to get some things for Chikaima, some colorings, and so I will also have like school. So many things this week, so you guys should stay with me. Don't open it. Chikudi doesn't listen. Anyways, guys, we have dentist appointment. That's doctor's appointment for Chikudi. Look at our guy here. Papa, are you ready to see the doctor? Say yes. No, Papa, leave the elevator.
Mom, Papa.
Backpack. This is not your backpack. This is like a cross bag. Chikudi has decided to stress me. He doesn't want to sit. I don't know if he thinks this is his father's house. Papa, we are at the hospital. Come here. Doctor has not come. Papa. Hey. In the hospital. Papa, can you sit? Can you sit here? Good job. We are done. Chikudi wants to finish me there. We are done. We have another appointment next month. So let's go home. No, let's go drop the kids at school.
Mama, look what I made for you. I made you a card. I love you, Mom, and Dad.
Let me see. This card is nice, Mama.
Yeah, I know. I wanted to do a star.
This your you is not correct, but you did well. I love you. Y-O-U. Y-O and you. Okay?
Mama, look at what I made for Dad. A dinosaur. I made it this dinosaur last time. I first started. Then I now put it in again.
It's so fine.
Oh.
Mama. This is nice. How did you make it?
Now, I used the dinosaur thing.
I used
like one straight thing that's like this. Then, Mama, look. Then I now put the green into pop. Then I now made this.
So nice.
I made it for Dad. Here you go.
Nice.
I made it for Dad, Mama.
Yeah, it's nice.
I mean,
fine.
Yeah.
May God help us. I'm waiting for the train. I went to get something at that store, so now we're going to another store. You guys won't believe this is like 3 p.m. But we're already in winter, so since it's winter, everywhere has changed. Everybody has changed. Everything has changed, basically. Mama, so we're just coming to get what we need, okay? Bring the basket. So we're here right now. Okay. Now drag it. Came to buy some colorings for Chikama and some toiletries. So let's go get them.
Mama,
Yeah? Yeah. Let's go, Mama.
What does this one spell?
I don't know, it's tattoo now. Can't you see it's tattoo sets? Pick one.
I just pick this one.
This one is food though.
Food.
This one is food thing, so like this one is better. It's giving Christmas. So this is where we're coming to get their Christmas sweater. Like their sweater for, Christmas.
Mama, look at this one.
Look at this one. This one will be nice for Prince. And then your Christmas hat. So we're coming here next month.
Mom, can I see this Christmas hat?
Okay, Chikama said she wants this. So we'll be coming back here for their Christmas shopping.
Mom.
Like Christmas pajamas and everything.
What's this?
And some Christmas cap.
Wow.
Wow, Mama wants to recycle. We're going for recycling.
Mama.
I want to recycle these cans.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Come on.
So we are there right now. Let's put this thing in and get some cash out. Chikaima. So let's see how much we're going to get from these cans, because I've been saving these cans for like a month or a month and 2 weeks. I'm always throwing my cans. My daughter said, Mama, let's recycle this one, let's recycle it. And today is Father's Day. I said, okay, let's recycle it now. Let's do something fun. And look at her, she's doing it. Let's know how much we're going to get at the end of this. This is how much we made. This is, yes, baby.
I'm a bit hungry.
All right, so you're a bit hungry, but
Yeah.
we're going home to eat.
Mama,
So our money is out. You use this money to buy anything you want.
Mom,
You can take it cash. She said she wants to buy something. Yeah, let's go. All right.
I want to buy donuts.
You want to buy donuts?
Yeah, donut being fun.
Have you taken it? All right, let's go. So we're getting popcorn with it. Take one popcorn. And what else? Put it in.
Mom,
Chikama did she bought father's card for her dad.
Mama,
Said
we
she-
have to hide it from him before he starts asking me, what is this?
Okay.
So I have to do this. Father's Day. Open it. Papa, open it. I made a card for you inside.
Wow.
Okay, it's time for school. Another time to acquire knowledge. I'm in school right now, so let's study. Look at my head. My hair is just flying around. The weather is so cold. Oh my God. We're on our way to school now. I'm going to drop the kids. This my son has a very, very funny character. His classmates just saw him and he did as if he didn't see her. She also did as if she didn't see him. But when she got forward, she looked back and then she saw that this guy wasn't even interested in talking to her. Then she had to say, hi, Prince. Then my son just looked at her like, I said, look at this boy. Prince. Anyways, I'm taking them to school right now, so let's go drop them. Stop running. Look at. He's pushing Chuchu away. Welcome, guys. What is it, Papa?
Yeah.
Come. Come now. Come. Ja. Look at this guy. Oh my God. Papa, you don't say hi to your teacher. Papa, he's not happy. Chuchu opened the door before him. Papa, good job. Your backpack. Chuchu likes. Papa, your big suit is here. Pull your jacket, Chuchu. Don't forget, if you're going outside, you wear this one, okay? So you have to.
Oh, that's why. Oh, you wear this big suit?
Yes, you wear this big suit if you're going outside. Or you go hang it there so you won't forget. Go in. The other class. They're everyone here. Bye. Chikama's dad has taken her to school. So now I think we're going to work because we're already in winter. But it's not snowing yet. So right now I'll be going to work. That's what we'll be doing now. We came to change our tires to winter tires because we're officially in winter, like I told you guys. So that's how they change the tires. This is my first time. This is the first time I'm seeing this. You know, in Nigeria, we use this thing that they call, I don't know what they call that thing. What's the name of that thing they used to remove tire in Nigeria? Spanner. I've forgotten, I don't know the name, but I know they don't do it like this. And I've never followed my husband to this place to change tire. This is my first time. Wow, so easy. Be like how I call them work here. My husband says I too like money. As an Igbo woman, you like money. Money. If you are a woman and you married a businessman, you do not know what God has done for you to appreciate your husband, because I have learned a lot. Growing up, I didn't even know I was going to do business, but look at me now, sourcing tires with my husband. And I love it. I love the business because it's sweet. It's something that, you know, it's like you're reaping the fruit of your labor. It's not something you just store one place and it just spoils, you know. It doesn't have an expiry date. Even if it has, it takes long, you know. So this is our business. Do not forget to patronize us. If you are in Sweden, patronize my business. We ship and we send to anywhere in Sweden. So now they're fixing the new tires. This is winter tires. Look at the difference. Can you see the nails on the tires? This is. See how easy. See how easy. Just look at how easy it is. So easy. See, he has fixed this one. I've never followed my husband here. This is my first experience. Wow. I'm back here to pick them up from school. Look, I've seen it. So it's time to go home. Papa, let's go. Chukudi, come here. Let's go. Hey, do. It's time to go. Oh, Jesus. Papa.
Mom.
Yes, baby. Whenever I come to pick Chukudi from school, this guy likes stressing me. Papa, do you realize that I'm your mother?
Mom, where are you?
Wait, don't worry. So we are done for today. Thanks for watching. Papa, say thanks for watching.
Mama, Papa.
Your backpack. I say thanks for watching.
Okay. Bye.
Say hey, do. Look at the camera. Papa, say hey, do. This guy here. Oh,
The
God.
boy say hey, though.
Hey, do.